nibavuga ireme ry'uburezi ujye uhita wumva Happy Kids School. Happy Kids School ifite abarimu b'inzobere batanga amasomo mu cyiciro cy'amashuri y'incuke ariyo nursery school cyangwa se gardienne, tutibagiwe na creche ndetse n'amashuri abanza ariyo primary school. Mu cyiciro cy'amashuri y'incuke ariyo nursery school cyangwa se gardienne, tubafitiye amashuri yose uko ariyo baby class, middle class na top class. Mu mashuri abanza cyangwa se primary school tubafitiye kuva mu mwaka wa mbere kugeza mu mwaka wa gatandatu. Nuza n'umwana wawe muri Happy Kids School uza muzanye amaboko meza y'abarezi b'inzobere muri uyu mwuga. Iri shuri riherereye hari Gahanga iruhande rw'isoko ukase ku muhanda werekeza kuri cricket neza imbere y'urusengero rwa ADP. Kushaka ibindi bisobanuro wahamagara kuri izi nimero zikurikira: 0788 30 66 83 cyangwa 0788 45 96 32. Zana umwana wawe ku ishuri ry'icyerekezo cy'ikinyagihumbi.
Good morning, my dear students. Hope you are fine at home. Hope you are doing well, as you are trying to answer the questions I have given you. This is Teacher Valens, your teacher of mathematics. I have given you the exercises that you are doing at home with your parents, with your friends, with your brothers and sisters. But today, this morning, I want to help you, learners of P3, to answer the question which is in your holiday package about number line. I want to first remind you what you have seen is a number line. A number line, for sure you are seeing that it is a one with two lines. And with two words, have, number and a line. What is it? It means that we are having a number and we are having a line. Number, line. I think you know a number and you know a line. So we have seen different types of line, straight line. We have seen different numbers, counting numbers. But what is it? A number line. A number line, here it is said that number line, it is a straight line with numbers placed at equal interval along its length. It's a straight line, like this one. This is examples of number line. They are here. Example of number line. It is a straight line with numbers. On this straight number line, we are having numbers. It is a straight line on which we can find numbers, but those numbers, they are not placed as we wish or as we want, but they are placed following that each number is placed on this number line, but at equal interval. Same distance. For example, from 0 here, let's place 0 here for example. When we place 0 here on this number line, to place 1 from 0, we measure the distance here, the length here. This distance must be equal to this distance. This distance must be equal to this distance. Must also be equal to that distance with the same or equal interval from one number to another along the distance of this number line. So this number line, it is continuous. It is not ending on 8. It is continuous. It is not ending from here or here. It is also continuous in negative part of the number line. But for you today, I want to show you this number line, which is starting from 0, then continuously. This is also another example of a number line. And this number line, from definition, this number line can be used to do different operations. Like it can be used for addition, it can be used for subtraction, it can be used for multiplication, it can also be used for division. So in the class you have seen how we can add numbers, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, like that. We have seen subtraction, how we can multiply, to divide using number line. How? For example, here there is an example here. I think you can see it. You can try to open your eyes very to see this. We have 2 red apples and 3 green apples. They are asking us to use another line to find out how many apples are there all together. We have 3 green apples and we have 2 red apples. They are here. We have 2 red apples and we have 3, 1, 2, 3 green apples. And they are asking us to find the answer, the sum of the apples by using a number line. My dear students, to add numbers using a number line, first of all, draw your number line starting from 0. Draw your number line. Then on this number line, you know, the number line is this line, straight line, on which you can find numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, then up to 10. Yes? So then after putting their numbers, they're asking us to add 2 red apples and 3 green apples. What can be the answer? Let me show you how. You use this number line to draw or to answer this question. Our number line is starting from 0 as you can see. Then, how can we put 2 red apples on this number line? Here, you are going to move 2 steps to represent the number 2 apples. We have 0 here, then 1 step here from 0 to 1. It is 1 red apple, and another step will be for another red apple. To mean that from 0 up to 2, I have moved the 2 steps from 0 to 2 to mean I am having a digit of 2. These 2 steps here are representing 2 as a digit or as a number. To mean I can represent 2 apple here, 2 red apple by moving from 0 to 2. So moving from 0 to 2, I'm having 2 red apple. So now because I am adding, because I'm just continuing from 2, I can just move other 3 steps. Because I'm adding to 3 green apples, I can also move 3 steps from 2. Then I will sum up how many steps I have moved. So I can move from these 2, then I move 3 steps, which is the steps for green apples. I can move 3 steps from these 2. I can move 1 step to 3, 1 step, 3rd step. I have now 3 steps here. Those 3 steps here are representing the number of green apples. From here to 2 up to this number, I am having the steps which is represented by green apples. Now, how do we get the answer? How can we get the answer after presenting these numbers on a number line? What will I do? I will count all the steps all together. From 0 here, from this 0 up to the ending point after putting the number steps for apples. How now? I will count 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps, and 5 steps. What does it mean? It means that adding 2 steps, which is representing 2 red apples, and 3 steps representing 3 apples, I can be having 5 apples. Because the question is asking us to use a number line to find out how many apples are there all together. It means that all together we are having 5 apples. By using a number line, hope we have seen how we can add numbers using a number line. Number 2, this number line can help us to subtract, to take away, to remove, to take something from some numbers. Here we have another problem which is saying we have 5 oranges and 3 are taken away, 3 are removed. They want that we use a number line to find out how many oranges are there, are left, or how many oranges are left when we take away 3 oranges from 5 oranges. But we need the answer by using a number line. Hope you know you can subtract this one without using a number line. we have seen different ways of taking away. So here we have to take away but using a number line. First of all, my dear friends, draw a number line. Draw a number line, put their numbers, okay? Then after putting their numbers, first of all, show us how many oranges we have. They are telling us that we have 5 oranges. Let me present 5 oranges. Here I have, start from 0 and then I present 5 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oranges. I have 5 oranges now. I'm reaching on 5 oranges. So to me that I'm having 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oranges. So after having 5 oranges, I want to remove 3 oranges. Maybe I want to give these 3 oranges to my friend. Okay? After taking away 3 oranges to my friend, I will count how many oranges are remaining. So here I have 5 oranges. Let me now take away 3. This is 5. Here I'm taking away 1, 2, 3 oranges. I'm just coming back to 0, towards 0, in negative sense or in negative part of our number line. What is it? I'm just taking away 3 oranges from 5 oranges that I am having. So what is it? It is like moving 3 steps backward. That's what we call take away. I can move 3 steps. You see, I'm just removing or lapping this step. I lap also this one. I lap this one. So I'm reaching here. So reaching here means that I am reaching to a digit, which is the sum, which is the difference between 5 and 3 steps. What is it? I'm moving 3 steps backward from 5. These 2 will be the answer of the number of oranges which are remaining on my number line. Okay? So that is why taking 5 oranges minus 3 oranges, I am remaining with 2 oranges, which is represented here on a number line. Hope you have seen how we can now subtract numbers but using a number line. How can you now multiply? You know, we have seen multiplication table. You can multiply numbers using different ways of multiplication. But this morning I want to show you how we can multiply numbers but using a number line. My friends, here we have a problem. We have 3 slices of cake and we want to put two cherries on each slice. Use a number line to find out how many cherries we shall need altogether. What is it? On each slice, we want to put two cherries on each slice. What is it? Now, first of all, we need to know how many cherries will you need to put on each part of the cake. Here they are saying that on each part of our cake, I'm putting 2 cherries. As you can see, this is my cake, this is another cake, this is another cake, but each cake is having 3 slices, 3 parts. This is having 3 parts, this is having 3 parts, and this is having 3 parts. And on each part, we are putting 2 slices. Yes, we say that we shall put 2 slices, 2 carries on each part of the slice. We are putting 2 carries on 3 slices. So if we have here 3 slices, we put 2 carries. What is it? It is on number line to present this information. Maybe to tell you this one is not easy, but by number line you shall understand. We have 2 carries which must be put on 3 cakes that we are having. Now, here we have 2 carries. To represent 2 carries on number line, you will move 2 steps. 1, 2 steps. So these two carries must be put on 1 cake. On one slice of a cake. On one slice of a cake, I'm putting 2 slices. On another slice of a cake, I will put 2 carries. What is it? 1, 2. I'm putting 2 carries on another slice of a cake. How many slices of a cake are we having? We have 3 slices of a cake. If you have 3 slices of a cake, each getting 2 carries. One is remaining here. Let me put other carries. 1, 2 carries on 1 carry. So putting other 2 carries on 1 carry. So my 3 slices are all having the carries. So each is having 2. You see, this is my slice of cake. This is another slice of a cake. This is another slice of a cake. Each is having carries. So how many carries? How many carries are we having? We need to put on this 3 slices of a cake. My dear friends, to know the number of carries we will need, we will just count how many steps. How many steps have we moved from 0? That is why we move from 1, from 0, then we count how many carries we put on our 3 slices of a cake. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means that when you take 2 carries and you put them on 3 slices, when two carries are put on 1 slice of a cake, it means that you will need 6 carries to be put on 3 slices of a cake. That's why 3 times 2 is equal to 6. To mean that on number line, you represent them by moving different steps. Hope you understood this one. Let's see how we can now group, or how can we divide numbers by using a number line. I have prepared for you another problem which can help you to understand this. My dear students, hope you can read this one. In this problem, we have 6 strawberries. Hope some of you like strawberries. I know. You like strawberries. And you have 6 strawberries to share between 2 plates. To mean that maybe you have 2 kiddies and they want to share strawberries. But we have only 6 strawberries. 6 strawberries, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strawberries. These 6 strawberries must be shared by only 2 kids, or only 2 plates. We have only 2 plates and 6 strawberries. In 6 strawberries, use a number line to find out how many strawberries are needed, or how many strawberries there will be on each plate. How many strawberries will we put on each plate? How to know this now? First of all, my dear student, we present 6 strawberries on this number line. Draw your number line, put their numbers from 0 are there. So after putting numbers on this number line, remember to share these 6. Let me show 6 strawberries. This is, I will count from 0, and I count 6 strawberries. Strawberry number 1, strawberry number 2, strawberry number 3, strawberry number 4, then number 5, then number 6. I am having 6 strawberry now. So, but I want to group these 6 strawberries into only 2 groups. To me, I want to present them only on 2 plates. So it means that I will be having, and I will be having 2 plates, but shared 6 strawberries, but equally. Make sure you are sharing equally. No one is having 5, other is having 1. No, they have to share equally, because all kids at home must be taken equally. That's why by sharing 6 strawberries, this is going to take. Let me leave this one take 1. Let me use another color of my. Yes, if this someone take 1, this one also can take 1. If this one take another 1. This one can take another 1. If this take 1, this also must be given 1. Now, how many groups now? How many groups? We'll see. This plate, if this plate is going to be having 3 strawberry, because my strawberry now are over. This is going to have 1, 2, 3, and this plate is going to get 1, 2, 3. Now, my strawberry are over. So, when I have 6 strawberries to be shared by 2 plates, 2 groups or 2 plates, This is my plate, this is my plate. Each plate is going to have 3 strawberries. And one plate. So on this one, this is going to get 3 strawberries, and this one's 3 strawberries. So each plate is having a 3, another one is having a 3, as it is represented here on a number line. That's why you know that 6 divided by 2 equals 3. But from a number line, you first represent your number on this number line, then you make groups regarding to the divisor of your number. Please at home, as you know, in your question paper, I want you to do this activity. Please try this activity. Once you do this activity, I want to give you an activity for only addition, but maybe your friend, maybe your parents are going to help you do multiplication, division, or subtraction of numbers, but using a number line. Here we have, I want you to add using a number line. I want you to add using a number line. My friends, I want you to add 3 and 2 using a number line. You will find here the answer, but you will show also this answer on a number line. B, I want you to add 9 and 7 on a number line. What will be the answer using a number line? I want you also to represent this answer on your number line. Let's say 4 plus 7 on a number line, and what should be the answer? Take this activity, do it very well. When you come back at school, share to your teacher. Thank you very much.